Question is asking you to calculate what is the shortest distance between these two lines. So this is nothing but L1, this is nothing but L2. We will compare this line with x minus x1 divided by A, y minus y1 divided by B, z minus z1 divided by C. Is it okay? So we can write x1 y1 z1, x1 y1 z1, that is equal to 3, 8, 3. Then A1 B1 C1, that is equal to 3 minus 1 1. Okay, then x2 comma y2 comma z2, that is equal to what is it, minus 3 comma minus 7 comma 6, and this is a2 comma b2 comma c2, that is equal to minus 3 comma 2 comma 4, correct, minus 3 comma 2 comma 4. This is L1, L2, L3, correct. Now I can write what is the shortest distance between the 2 points. This is nothing but determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay, then a1 b1 c1, then a2 b2 c2, a2 b2 c2, divided by square root of b1 c2 minus b2 c1 the whole square, plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 the whole square, c2 a1 the whole square, plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 the whole square, correct or not, a2 b1 the whole square. So what is this distance? D is equal to modulus of what is x2 minus x1 the whole square, that is nothing but minus 6, y2 minus y1 the whole square is what, minus 15, z2 minus z1 the whole square is what, 3. a1 b1 c1 will be 3 minus 1 1, and then minus 3 2 4, correct, minus 3 2 4. First we will calculate this part, okay, first we will calculate the numerator part. So what is this answer that we get here now? This is nothing but minus 6 into minus 4 minus 2 plus 15 plus 15. Leave the row and column. What do you get? 12 plus 3 and plus 1 times or plus 3 times. Leave the row and column. So you will get 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. So what is this answer that we get? 12. 6 plus 6 into 6 will be 36. Plus 15 8s, 15 15s, 225, and then 3 3s are 9. So what do you get? 225 plus 9, 234, 234, 244, 254, 264, 270, correct, 270. Divided by square root of b1 c2 minus b2 c1 the whole square. Let's calculate the denominator now. Let's calculate the denominator. This was the calculation of the numerator, right? This was the calculation of the numerator. So square root of b1 c2 will be minus 1 into 4, which is nothing but minus 4, minus b2 c1 will be minus 6 the whole square, plus c1 a2. What is c1 a2? 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3, c1 a2, minus c2 a1, c2 a1 is 12 the whole square, plus a1 b2. What is a1 b2? a1 b2 will be equal to 3 2s are 6, minus a2 b1. What is a2 b1? a2 b1 will be minus 3 the whole square. So your answer to the question will be square root of 100 plus 225 plus 9. So how much do you get? 325 root of 329. That b2c1, if you see b2c1, that is equal to 2 into 1, that is 2, right? So here how much is this answer? This is equal to 36. 36 plus 9 is 45, will get here root 270, correct or not? So what is this answer that we get now? So this answer will be equal to 270 divided by root of 270. So your answer to the question will be equal to root of 270, which is nothing but root of 9 into 30, which is nothing but 3 root 30 will be the answer to the question. Is it okay? 3 root 30 will be the answer to the question.